Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to check some basic details on the Yamaha CL5 display. So when you check something on the Yamaha CL5 display, just need to slide from right to left like this, and you can see the details here: trip, information, board setting, device setting, reset. And if I go trip, you will see all the data that you have has been recorded on this CM. So this is the fuel liter, how many liter you have been used, and this is the trip distance and trip hours and total hours. So if you go back information, then you can the trip same data again. Maintenance reminder. So the maintenance reminder is important because when your engine need maintenance like every 100 hour, and it will give you alarm that the maintenance is required. So when it's if you want to reset the alarm, just touch here, then it will ask you reset engine maintenance schedule. If you give the yes, so it will go into the 0. Now see, you can see it's 0, then it will start counting again the how many hours. Then when it's reached to the 100, exit reach to the 100, it will give alarm warning that your engine need to be serviced. So then tanks, you will see the tank details, how much fuel you have, and trim level. So this is the trim level, and if I go up and down, you will see it will changing. So there's the trim level and software information, active alarms. So if you have any active alarm, it will show here. And warning manager, if you have any warning alarms, that will record here and you can see on this display. So if you go back again, board settings, so the tank preset and calibration, if you need to calibrate the trim and fuel flow offset, you can calibrate the trim through this menu. So device setting, if you go device setting, you can change the language, background, units, water. For example, now you will see here the display is like a metallic gray color. So let's change the display. So device setting, background, so I'm going to put the white, then you will see the display is white. So we are setting background, brush metal, so like this, and we are setting background carbon, then display is like this. So that's how you change your display background. And also units, you can change the system unit, or like what unit, metric, nautical, custom. You can change the unit as you wish, depth meter, and you can change the depth for feet or meter, and temperature you can go Fahrenheit or Celsius, and distance you can go with the nautical mile, kilometer, and nauticals. And speed, you can also change the speed, knots to miles per hour, kilometer per hour, knots, so like that. And let's go back again. So units, keyboard layout, edit gauge layout, you can edit the gauge layout as well. And brightness, you can adjust the brightness from here. You can see that's important when you selling at night time. you need less brightness. So but if you put the auto, it will detect the background light, and it will automatically reduce the light backlights on the display. So color mode and beeper, you can adjust the beep, alarm only, and key and alarms, so you can change that as well. So that's how you basically change the things on change and check the things on Yamaha CL5 display. Thank you for watching and have a great day.